What? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I just want to give you guys a big shout out because we just hit 5,000 subscribers and it's just amazing. I never thought, it would come this far. Honestly, when I first made the channel, it was just something for me to keep tabs on this build here that I'm doing, and just to educate people on things that I know, because I know some things that maybe someone else wouldn't learn. I know that when I first started out working on cars, I had some great mentors like my father and his friends and stuff, but a lot of things that I didn't know, I also learned it off YouTube. So I wanted to contribute into that as well, and just show my little tricks and stuff that maybe someone else could learn off of. And you guys are always showing me love, which me and Christine, we really appreciate you guys. With that being said, a lot of you guys have been asking for stickers, so me and Christine have been making some stickers recently, and we have put up an online store where you guys can go ahead and purchase them. So this is the OG Diamonds on a Budget sticker right here. This is the first sticker that we ever came out with. This is the ones that only me and my friends have, and we usually put it on the window just like this, the side mirror. We have these available for you to buy on the website as well. And then me and Christine have also made these stickers here. This is the Stay Good sticker. We have a smaller version of this. This is a little bit bigger version, but we have I think it's like a 6x2 version on the website as well that you can purchase. Now the stickers are very limited, so if you guys want one, you guys should go ahead and pick them up as soon as possible. The link will be down in the description. So if you want to support the channel and support what we do here at Diamonds on a Budget Garage, just go ahead and pick up a sticker, man. So with that being said, thank you guys again so much for the support, and let's get on with this video.
Did I put it all the way?
So we're just gonna just put the top off, and then...
Oh wow, here it is.
Alright guys, so this is the lip right here. You guys already know what it is. It's the same lip that I had on. It's the Ings replica lip. The last one that I had, the Fitment, was pretty good, so let's check out the Fitment now. Alright you guys, so this is the chin spoiler Ings lip type thing. This has a little bit, this is an alright fitment. I know on the last one this was a big issue where it wasn't like totally flush. This has a little bit smaller gap, but for the most part it actually fits pretty nicely in the corners. As you guys can see. So I will be prepping that for paint. I'll be painting it white just so that it matches the car right now, and then eventually it'll be color matched when I change the color of the car. So today's Rants and Wrenches is gonna be authentic parts versus replica parts, and if I'm for it or I'm against it. I'm for it in a sense where I prefer authentic parts, but I'm okay with buying replica parts in certain items. As you guys can tell, I'm alright with buying like replica aero parts. The quality may be a little bit better, but for the price point that they're at, it's affordable and it works the same way. Like that front lip will probably cost me a few hundred. That front lip right there, the replica, is only about $100 with little bit imperfections I could deal with. So I don't mind buying replica parts like lips and stuff like that, especially with the side skirts. Like if it's something that I can work with, then I don't mind buying it. As far as like wheels go, I prefer to have real wheels, like Works or SSRs. I do have some replica BBS on top the XB, as you guys seen. But other than that, I do prefer to have real wheels. It's just preference, Of course, I prefer to have real items, but I do not mind buying replica parts if it's something that I'm just paying for the name. I understand that you're taking away the money from the authentic makers or manufacturers of the product, but on this build I have a little bit of both. Let me know what you guys think. This is just my little 2 cents on the issue. I know there's a big debate whether you should buy replica parts versus authentic. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the car and the plan. Thank you guys for the support again. You guys are amazing. I cannot do this without you guys. You guys are what's motivating me and Christine to keep going on this channel. It's just amazing how far we've come, and like I said, this is just the beginning. We've got a long way to go. So if you guys are down for the ride, make sure you guys hit the subscription button, make sure you guys hit the notification button, and head to the store, pick up some stickers if you guys could, if you guys want. They're gonna go quickly. And yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, stay good, peace out.